It's a new 2019 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. It was built for the tough-as-nails worker who needs a tough-as-nails truck. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: V8 engine, electronic shift on the fly, automatic transmission, trailer brake controller, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, mirror mounted spotlights, gas pressurized shocks, auto dimming rear view mirror, and front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Automobile proclaims it's what's under the hood that separates the men from the boys among heavy-duty pickups. GMC, it's not just a vehicle, it's a professional-grade tool. Take it for a test drive today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.